Hello, my name is Dennis Boyle, and I'm a special education teacher located in Bakersfield, California. This is my second year teaching, and this is my first year in emotionally disturbed program. And after reflecting on the evidence-based practices in the IRIS model, I'm familiar with some of the evidence-based practices such as extinction, functional behavior assessment, modeling, PECs, prompting, task analysis, reinforcement, reflection, social skills training, video modeling, and video supports. Some evidence-based practices that are new to me and I'm interested in learning about is time delay, scripting, and pivotal response training. As my experience with the autism population has been very limited, some of these evidence-based practices I've never witnessed, and I would like to learn more and see it in action. Time delay seems very interesting as it helps eliminate prompts. Scripting could be used for social interactions and communication. It would be ideal to see it used in the classroom. Also, pivotal response training could be very beneficial if you know the student's interests and motivation. So after reviewing Faces of Autism on page 8 of the module, I enjoyed hearing the child's perspective, especially Dylan's. With students who are higher functioning, it can be helpful to ask the student what they need or want. In my experience, I support my students to the best of my ability, but I should reflect and ask the student if that's what they need, especially if I have a higher functioning student. As I currently work in an ED program, I do have a student who is very bright and has high function autism. And then after listening to Dylan talk, it made me realize like, hey, maybe I can have these deeper conversation with my student to see if I'm really supporting him to the best of my ability, and maybe he can give me some more insight of what he needs from me. So that was very nice to watch those videos and get this perspective from the other students. Other ideas that resonated with me is having the ability to build positive relationships with both parents and students to help understand the students' needs and strengths. And collaboration, I believe, is really important, especially with the parents, as this can allow for better understanding of what strategies the parents are using at home and being able to develop like a meaningful partnership to support the students' educational needs.